be cute to wear this little thing from the dollar store because I'm doing a snowman tutorial for you guys today, but you can't even see it in the video, so oh well. Anyways, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. You stumbled on an awesome video to start watching because today is December 1st. The day that I'm launching this video, and for the next 12 days, December 1st to December 12th, there's going to be a series of YouTube videos called the 12 Days of DIPMAS. And what that is I've teamed up with 11 awesome, talented, amazing ladies to bring you guys 12 different nail art tutorials so you guys can have an amazing holiday manicure to go through Christmas and New Year's. So today's video, I'm actually going to show you guys how to do a snowman tutorial using this Maniology stamping plate. And during these 12 days, you're going to see a whole bunch of giveaways. I want to thank Revel Nail for donating to my giveaway so that one awesome person is going to get this cute wooden box and the 8 colors that came in the Home for the Holidays collection by Revel Nail that launched at the beginning of November. So if you want to win this giveaway, stay tuned towards the end of the video because I'm going to explain all the details on how to win this, plus some cute stamping plates so that you can have an awesome manicure, because guess what? The dip powder that I use in this is actually in the Home for the Holidays dip powder collection. So somebody gets to recreate this manicure. So before I get into the video, I do want to let you guys know that all the links to all the 12 ladies that are going to be in this 12 Days of DIPMAS series are going to be in the description box below. So make sure to check out their YouTube channels and see what videos they got going on for the next 12 days because you won't want to miss them.
The first thing we're going to touch on is the supplies that you need in order to do this. Obviously, you're going to need dip powder, a clear jelly stamper, and a scraper card. I recommend a clear jelly stamper rather than any other type of stamper because this is the most effective stamper for reverse stamping. Also, you're going to need a sticky base coat, a smudge-free top coat or a gel top coat, your choice, your stamping plates, and stamping polishes. A lint-free roller or scotch tape, paper towels, and either acetone or nail polish remover, and a variety of dotting tools. Before you begin, you need to prep your surface. Make sure that your stamping plates do not have any blue film or any type of protection layer on them, so peel that back. And make sure that your nails are completely dipped or polished over with a top coat on them already. It's very important to make sure you have all of your supplies accessible and within arm's reach. And grab your polishes, and then we're going to get started. The first thing I do before I start stamping is I choose my designs. So I'm picking the Santa Claus snowman, and then I'm going to pick the Santa hat and one of these faces to go over the entire stamp design to give my snowman a complete face. I'm going to take my black stamping polish, because that's going to be my outline color, and place it over the Santa Claus design that I want to use. Take my scraper card and lightly scrape the polish, and my clear jelly stamper and roll it over the design. You're going to notice it picked up several designs, so I'm going to use my lint roller to remove the design that I don't want to be used during my stamping. If you don't have a lint roller, you can use scotch tape or packing tape. I want you to think of reverse stamping as in coloring in a coloring book. So we're going to take the polish and a dotting tool, and we're going to color in specific lines. So I'm going to color in the belt here, and then later on I'm going to color in the hat with red polish. Make sure your dotting tool has enough polish on it and that it's not drying, because if it dries too quickly, then it's going to pick up the design off the jelly stamper, and you don't want that. So continue to fill in the design with the polish until you're completely satisfied. This is why I call it reverse stamping, because you're going to turn it over and then place that design on your nail. We're not going to do that yet, but I wanted you to see this. Now we're going to take the white stamping polish and we're going to fill in the face and the body of the snowman. When you're done, you have to let the polish dry before you stamp it onto your nail bed. So what we're going to do next is we're going to take the sticky base and we're going to apply it all over the nail bed so that the dry polish has something to stick to, which is why it's called sticky base. When the stamp is completely dry and the sticky base is mostly dry, now you can place it onto the nail bed. So make sure that you place it where you want the image to go, press firmly, and roll it from side to side so the entire stamp transfers onto the nail. Now that that process is done, we have to put the Santa hat on top of the Santa snowman. So we're going to repeat the same process we just did with the black polish outline and then filling in the hat with white and red nail polish. Again, make sure to let the polish completely dry before you decide to stamp this over the other design. If you don't let it completely dry, when you do stamp it, it's going to smush and the entire design is going to be obliterated. The next step is putting the face on the snowman. This part's easier because we just need an outline, so we only have to use black polish. We don't have to reverse stamp it. So pick up the design, make sure you use the lint roller to get off any extra faces that you don't want on your stamp. Flip the stamp over and put it right on the middle of the snowman's face. And done. As always, before you put on the top coat, make sure that the polish is completely dry. You can do 1 or 2 layers of the smudge-free top coat, or you could even float on gel top coat if you choose and you like the durability of gel top coat instead. The next part is super simple and I'm only including it in case you're new and you don't know how to clean your supplies. Use the lint roller to clean off the jelly stamper, and acetone or nail polish remover and a paper towel to thoroughly clean off your stamping plate. Before we get into the giveaway and the end of the video, I wanted to include clips of watching me work so you get to see me put on snowmen and snowflakes on my actual nails. I know this tutorial was done on a swatch, but this part's going to be fast forwarded for you so you can enjoy.
Okay, so I know that was a lot to watch and everything. Don't worry, guys. It took me a while to get the reverse stamping thing down, but trust me, practice makes perfect. It's like riding a bike. You just get back up, you start over, you wipe off the nail art, and you keep trying. Trust me, it gets better and it gets easier to do. So without further ado, I'm sure you guys want to know how to win this box. So in order to enter this giveaway, you have to do 3 things. Obviously, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. That's thing number 2. But thing number 3 is leave a comment below and let me know what's your favorite thing to do during the holidays with your family, friends, whoever you got that's special to you in your life. What is your favorite tradition or thing to do? And before you guys go, please do not forget that in the description box below are the links to all the 12 ladies that are going to be in this YouTube series for the 12 Days of DIPMAS. So don't forget to check back tomorrow all the way until day 12 for an awesome nail art video for the holidays, because trust me, they've got some good things in store for you guys. Good luck, everybody. I hope you guys have an amazing holiday season.